Welcome back to Willie's Travel Ideas. Now I know everybody loves to travel. Seeing new places, experiencing different cultures, it's something we all dream about. But let's face it, traveling can put a dent in your wallet. That's why I'm here to share some of my favorite travel hacks to help you save big on your next adventure. We're talking about practical tips and tricks that can make a real difference in your travel budget. So if you're ready to explore the world without breaking the bank, stick around, because I'm about to show you how to make your travel dreams a reality. Let's get started. Now this might seem obvious, but trust me, planning ahead is the golden rule of budget travel. It's not just about saving money, it's about ensuring a smooth and stress-free journey. When you plan ahead, you give yourself the luxury of time to research, compare prices, and find the best deals available. This means you can avoid the panic and frustration that often come with last-minute bookings. You see, airlines and hotels often offer their best deals to those who book in advance. These early bird deals are designed to fill up seats and rooms quickly, ensuring a steady stream of customers. By taking advantage of these offers, you can secure significant discounts that are not available closer to the travel date. It's all about supply and demand, folks. When demand is low, prices are low. But as the travel date approaches and demand increases, so do the prices. This is why booking early can save you a lot of money. Plus, you get the added benefit of having more options to choose from, whether it's flight times, seat selections, or hotel rooms. The closer you get to your travel dates, the higher the prices tend to climb. This is especially true during peak travel seasons like holidays and summer vacations. By planning ahead, you can avoid the price hikes and secure your travel arrangements at a fraction of the cost. That's because airlines know that those last-minute bookers are often desperate for a flight and are willing to pay a premium. They capitalize on this urgency by raising prices, knowing that travelers have little choice but to pay up. But you don't have to fall into this trap. But you, my friend, you're smarter than that. By planning ahead, you can avoid the stress and financial strain of last-minute bookings. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your travel plans are set, and you can focus on enjoying your trip. You're going to be organized, you're going to plan ahead, and you're going to reap the rewards. This means more money in your pocket to spend on experiences, dining, and souvenirs. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you got the best possible deal. And believe me, those rewards can be substantial. We're talking about hundreds, even thousands of dollars in savings just by booking your flights and accommodations a few months in advance. This can make a huge difference in your travel budget, allowing you to do more and see more during your trip. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars in savings just by booking your flights and accommodations a few months in advance. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Maybe extend your trip, upgrade your accommodations, or indulge in some special activities. So don't wait until the last minute. Procrastination can be costly, both financially and emotionally. By booking early, you can avoid the stress and uncertainty that come with last-minute planning. You'll have everything sorted out well in advance, giving you more time to look forward to your trip. Get those flights and hotels booked early and watch those savings roll in. You'll be able to travel with confidence, knowing that you got the best deals and made the most of your travel budget. So, start planning now and enjoy the benefits of being a savvy traveler. Let's talk about travel rewards and credit card points. These little perks can make a huge difference in your travel budget if you know how to use them wisely. Imagine being able to fly to your dream destination or stay in a luxurious hotel without spending a dime out of pocket. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. It's all about understanding how to maximize the benefits of your credit card rewards and points. These, my friends, are secret weapons in the fight against expensive travel. By strategically using travel rewards and points, you can significantly cut down on your travel expenses. It's like having a hidden stash of travel funds that you can tap into whenever you need. But of course, it requires a bit of planning and knowledge. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and open a dozen credit cards just for the rewards. That could lead to financial trouble if not managed properly. Instead, focus on a few key cards that offer the best rewards for your spending habits. Look for cards that offer sign-up bonuses, double or triple points on travel-related purchases, and other perks like no foreign transaction fees. But if you're a responsible credit card user, you can definitely use those points to your advantage. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and keep track of your points so you can use them before they expire. It's all about being smart and strategic with your spending. Many credit cards offer travel rewards programs where you earn points for every dollar you spend. These points can add up quickly, especially if you use your card for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. Some cards even offer bonus points for specific categories, so be sure to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. These points can then be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, and even travel upgrades. Imagine booking a first-class flight or a 5-star hotel room without spending a penny. It's possible with the right travel rewards card. And don't forget about other perks like access to airport lounges, travel insurance, and concierge services. It's like getting paid to travel. The more you use your card, the more points you earn, and the more you can save on your travels. It's a win-win situation. Plus, using your points for travel can often give you more value than redeeming them for cash or merchandise. And don't forget about airline miles. These can be just as valuable as credit card points, if not more so. Many airlines have frequent flyer programs that allow you to earn miles for every flight you take. These miles can then be redeemed for free flights, seat upgrades, and other travel-related perks. Sign up for frequent flyer programs with your favorite airlines and watch those miles accumulate. Some programs even offer bonus miles for signing up or for flying a certain number of miles within a specific time frame. It's a great way to get rewarded for your loyalty. You'll be surprised how quickly those miles can add up to a free flight or two. And the best part is, you can often combine your airline miles with your credit card points to maximize your rewards. It's all about being strategic and making the most of the opportunities available to you. So, start racking up those points and miles and let them take you on your next adventure. With a little planning and smart spending, you can turn your everyday purchases into unforgettable travel experiences. Happy travels! Now, when it comes to accommodations, you don't always have to break the bank for a comfortable stay. There are plenty of options out there that offer both comfort and affordability, ensuring you can enjoy your trip without worrying about overspending on where you sleep. Forget those fancy, overpriced hotels. While they may offer luxury and a range of amenities, they often come with a hefty price tag that can eat into your travel budget. I'm talking about budget-friendly options like hostels and Airbnb. These alternatives provide unique experiences and can be just as comfortable as traditional hotels, if not more so. Hostels, my friends, are a fantastic way to meet fellow travelers and save a bundle on accommodation. They are not just for young backpackers anymore. Hostels have evolved to cater to a wide range of travelers, including families and solo adventurers. Don't let the word hostel scare you. Modern hostels are clean, safe, and often have a vibrant social scene. They offer a variety of amenities such as free Wi-Fi, communal kitchens, and organized activities that can enhance your travel experience. These days, hostels are more like social hubs with a variety of room options, from private rooms to shared dorms. You can choose what suits your comfort level and budget. Many hostels even offer private bathrooms and other perks that you might not expect. And the best part? They're incredibly affordable. You can save a significant amount of money by staying in a hostel, which you can then spend on other aspects of your trip, like dining out, sightseeing, or even extending your stay. Then there's Airbnb, a game changer in the world of travel accommodation. Airbnb allows you to find unique places to stay, from a room in someone's home to an entire apartment or house, often at a fraction of the cost of a hotel. With Airbnb, you can rent out rooms or entire apartments directly from locals. This not only gives you a more authentic travel experience, but also allows you to live like a local, exploring neighborhoods and areas you might not otherwise see. This not only gives you a more authentic travel experience, but also saves you a ton of money compared to traditional hotels. Plus, you often get access to amenities like kitchens and laundry facilities, which can further reduce your travel costs. So, ditch the expensive hotels and embrace the affordability and unique experiences of hostels and Airbnb. By choosing budget accommodations, you can travel more frequently, stay longer, and immerse yourself more deeply in the local culture. Happy travels! Eating out for every meal can really eat into your travel budget. That's why I always recommend cooking your own meals whenever possible. Now, I know what you're thinking. Willie, I'm on vacation. I don't want to be stuck in the kitchen. And you know what? I hear you. But trust me, cooking your own meals doesn't have to be a chore. Think of it as an adventure in itself. Visit local markets, pick up some fresh ingredients, and whip up a delicious meal in your hostel or Airbnb kitchen. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to experience the local cuisine in a whole new way. Plus, it's a great way to impress your travel buddies with your culinary skills. So, ditch those overpriced tourist traps and embrace the joys of cooking on the road. Now here's the thing. You don't have to spend a fortune to have a memorable travel experience. In fact, some of the best things in life are free. Most cities offer a wealth of free or low-cost activities that are just waiting to be discovered. Think free walking tours, visits to local parks and gardens, and exploring historical neighborhoods. These activities not only save you money but also give you a more authentic feel for the destination. And don't forget about those hidden gems that are often overlooked by tourists. Ask locals for recommendations, do some research online, and you'll be amazed at the incredible experiences you can find without spending a dime. Remember, travel is about immersing yourself in new cultures and creating lasting memories, and that doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Thanks for tuning into Willie's Travel Ideas. I hope these tips help you save big on your next adventure. Remember, traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and these savvy hacks, you'll be exploring new destinations and creating unforgettable memories without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to subscribe, and for more travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Thank you.